The demo days by Manav Marketing and Mastercam have seen sleepless night by a lot of people. They are here to give solutions to their customers.
We welcome you all to the open house of Haas and Mastercam. This is an event wherein everybody can experience a new technology. Every kind of new machines have been displayed, and Mastercam is showcasing 2025 version. This will help our customers, prospects, whoever as such, to make sure that you achieve your productivity goals.
So we have displayed our latest technology in process solutions. So in this Haas Machines, we have our probing solutions, spindle probe and tool setting probe, which ensure that in process metal cutting takes place correctly, producing the right quality product inside the machine. So once the machine is cut, the same component can be checked for all the critical parameters with our flexible gauging solutions called Equator, which is used in the shop floor, which ensure that the part gets inspected very quickly, and also the auto feedback can be given to the machine. So with these solutions in process in the machine, as well as our Equator gauging solutions, we are helping our customers to produce a right quality product every time.
We are technology partners of Manav Marketing for fixturing solution. Here we have on display our 4th axis fixture solutions, 5 axis fixtures, hydraulic fixtures, which are used on BMCs and 5 axis machines, and would like to thank Manav Marketing for giving us this opportunity.
We in Nakamura Tome displaying many complicated components here. Most of them are complicated components which conventionally made in a different setups. But in our case, we integrate all the process in a single machine from the raw material to the complete part. So nowadays we are getting a serious inquiries, and also in the last couple of days we are getting many positive inquiries regarding the multitasking machines, and I believe this is the future.
We are exhibiting 2 products. One is power pack and one is solar power plant. For newly launched power pack, we give 15 to 20 minutes backup, isolation solutions, and voltage power fluctuation solutions. And we have also introduced and we have made the power plant in same field to the Manav Marketing 90 kilowatt power plant, which has a tremendous change in the power bill. And all the machines are run by solar.
The importance of having partners in the demo day makes a lot of difference to the customer who come to visit the show, because they get a complete solution and a complete product offering that has been available for them. For example, somebody comes with a part to be done. You need tooling, you need fixtures. We have fixture manufacturer here who are able to work with them and give fixture solutions. Similarly, we have solution providers from like Renishaw who are coming forward with great measurement solutions, and also we have our partners for wire cutter EDM who are able to give solution for tool rooms for complex jobs which require secondary processing after machining as well.